so we originally, created the tailgate shower to target primarily mountain bikers and stuff like that. But obviously, this is great for anybody who's going to do fishing, kayaking, surfing. You can put all that kind of stuff up here and tie it down really well. We thought it'd be cool to kind of integrate a shower system into the tailgate pads. These already kind of existed on the market, but we thought we would step it up a notch and create, one that can hold 10 gallons of water, has adjustable pads, and all sorts of cool stuff. So some of the cool features of the tailgate pad is these pads are actually super thick, and it's got a felt line padding in here too. So all in all, you have probably over 2 inches of padding in here, and all of these are adjustable. So no matter where your backup camera is and what kind of truck you have, you can roll these up or down to make sure we're not covering anything up. So these are fully adjustable. And then on the back side, there's a 10-gallon water tank that's built into it. So that's tons of water, and it's actually powered off your 4-pin trailer plug. So it doesn't have a battery or anything built into it. When you turn on your running lights on your vehicle, it turns the pump on, and it's the same pump that's in all of our systems. So it's a 50 psi water pump that can basically shut on and off automatically. So when you let off, it shuts off, and you squeeze it, it turns on automatically. So it gives plenty of water for rinsing off a bunch of people.